Design and simulation of a smart energy monitoring and load control system using Verilog VHDL. Abstract. The increasing demand of efficient energy utilization has led to the development of intelligent monitoring and control system. This study presents the design and simulation of a smart energy monitoring and load control system using Verilog VHDL. The proposed system is designed to monitor electrical energy consumption and automatically manage connected loads based on predefined conditions to improve energy efficiency and reduce power wastage. The system architecture focuses on digital hardware modeling that enables accurate monitoring of energy usage and automated control of electrical loads. Through hardware description, modeling, and simulation, the system can detect variation in energy consumption and control electrical loads accordingly. Simulations results demonstrate that the proposed design effectively monitors power consumption and performs automated load control in real time. The developed system provides scalable and reliable solution for smart energy management application in residential and industrial environments. Introduction. As we face a growing global hunger for electricity, the push for better electricity efficient has moved us past old school meters that only show the basic. Today, smart monitoring and load control systems are changing the game by giving us a real-time, high-definition look at how we use power. Instead of just watching the dial spin, this system actually helps in tracking things like voltage and current to make smart calls when to run certain equipment or how to trim peak demand, whatever it is, in a home, an office, or massive factory. This shift toward data-driven control helps us cut down on waste, lower costs, and build a much more reliable energy future.
Initialization phase. The process begins with the system reset and clock initialization. In the hardware description model, the system remains in a standby state until the reset signal is deactivated, logic 0. Once active, the system's heartbeat is established by the CLK signal, ensuring that all subsequent data processing and logic comparisons occur in precise synchronization. Load management cycle. This phase represents the core decision-making logic of the controller. The system continuously performs input acquisition by reading the 10-bit power input, representing real-time sensor data and comparing it against the predefined 10-bit threshold. Normal operation. As seen in the simulation waveform, since the current power 140 is less than the threshold 200, the system follows the no path. It means all electrical loads, load 1 through load 5, in an active logic 1 state while keeping the overload flag and alarm deactivated. Overload protection. If the input were to exceed the thresholds, the system will transition to the yes path, triggering load shedding logic to disconnect non-essential loads and activating the visual and audible alarm signal to protect the circuit. Energy monitoring and data output. Operating in parallel with the control logic, the energy monitoring block functions as a digital integrator. It continuously collects the power sample and adds them to the 24-bit energy total register. This accumulation allows the system to track cumulative consumption over time. Finally, these process values are sent to the output interface, providing the user with real-time feedback on both individual load status and total energy usage. Input ports, left side. These signals are the senses of your system providing the necessary data for processing. Power input 9, a 10-bit digital bus that receives real-time power data. In an HDL system, this typically comes from an analog to digital converter that measures voltage and current. Threshold 9, a 10-bit bus used to set the maximum allowable power consumption. This allows the system to be adjustable for different environments, residential versus industrial. CLK or clock. The primary timing signal. Every internal comparison, calculation, and state transition is synchronized to the rising edge of this pulse. Reset. A control signal used to return the system to its initial state, clearing the energy registers and resetting load assignments. Processing block. Smart energy system. This central block contains the digital logic written in Verilog or VHDL. Based on our project, it executes two main tasks simulate. One is the comparator logic. It constantly checks if power input threshold. Accumulator logic. It integrates the power input over time to track usage. 3. Output ports or right side. These signals represent the actions or feedback provided by the system. Energy total 23. A large 24-bit bus, the output, the cumulative energy consumption, the higher bit width is necessary to prevent the value from overflowing too quickly as it tracks usage over time. Alarm. A single bit signal that triggers a warning like a buzzer or LED if an overload is detected. Load 1 to load 5. Individual control lines in a real-world application. This will trigger relays to connect or disconnect specific electrical appliances or circuits. Overload flag, a status signal that notifies other connected digital system or a central processor that a power violation has occurred.
Control logic and comparator analysis. The core of the system is the comparison between the real-time input and the user-defined limit. Power input 9, the current reading is 0010001100 binary which converts to 140 in decimal. Threshold 9, the safety limit is set to 0011001000 binary which converts to 200 in decimal. Logic result, since 140 is greater than 200, the system identifies the environment as safe.
In conclusion, this project shows how we can use digital design tools, especially Verilog and VHDL, to build a smarter way of managing electricity. Instead of just guessing, the system precisely measures voltage and power to make on-the-fly decisions about which appliances or machines should be running. By using an ALU or arithmetic logic unit and smart control circuits, the design can automatically balance multiple loads. This means if the power demand gets too high, the system steps in to prevent overloads and keep things safe. The beauty of this approach is that because it's modeled in code, engineers can simulate and stress test every scenario to make sure it works perfectly before a single piece of hardware is actually built. Looking ahead, this foundation could be expanded to include remote monitoring and even machine learning to predict energy needs before they happen. It's a significant step toward making smart homes and industrial plants more efficient, adaptable, and reliable for the real world. For the recommendation, it is highly recommended to implement hysteresis logic within the VHDL and Verilog control. Module to prevent power chattering, which occurs when a load rapidly switches on and off as the consumption fluctuates exactly at the threshold limit. By requiring the power level to drop significantly below the threshold before a shed load is allowed to reconnect. The system will ensure greater electrical stability and prevent mechanical wear on the external relay or switching components connected to the load 1 to 5 output pins. And for the end, as it said in Proverbs 27 verse 23, be diligent to know the state of your flocks and attend to your herds. In ancient times, flocks and herds were the primary resources or assets of a household. Much likely, electricity and energy are essential resources today. This verse emphasized the importance of monitoring and active management. Just as our project uses Verilog and VHDL to know the state of power consumption and attend to the loads automatically. This biblical principle encourages us to be mindful and responsible stewards of the resources entrusted to us, ensuring nothing is wasted through negligence.